solveyourtech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
This video from solveyourtech.com will show you how to enable the iPhone 13 low data mode setting. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. If you're trying to reduce the cellular data usage on your iPhone 13, then low data mode can be a good solution. When you turn on low data mode, it will stop background activities and reduce automatic updates to try and preserve your cellular data. To enable low data mode on your iPhone 13, you need to open the Settings app, choose the Cellular option, tap the Cellular Data Options button, choose Data Mode, then tap the Low Data Mode option. As you can see on the screen, it says that low data mode helps reduce cellular data usage by pausing automatic updates and background tasks. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.